Oula. Humpty Dumpty. Oh, les cailloux. Oh, da, da. Di, da, da, da. Di, da, da, da. Ooh. Di, da, da, da. Di, da, 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 da. Bum, bum. Da da da. Bum bum bum. Boo boo boo. Chappy chapeau, billy bo. Chapeau chappy, billy bi. That's a rough road. It's good to be in a SUV. Let's see how far we can drive. Two weeks ago, there was a tree that had fallen down across the road and you couldn't drive beyond one point. I wanted to see, but it was blocked. The road was not open because of that tree that had fallen across the street from some winter storm, I presume. But I just heard that the public service, they cut the tree and the road is open now. So let's go to the end of the road and see what we can see. This is where we drop the wingsuit flyers, base jumpers off. Yeah, this guy's parked here. Oh, probably to hike further up the mountain for the beautiful view over Chamozon. But we continue. How far shall we drive? What shall we do with the drunken sailor? What shall we do with the drunken sailor? What shall we do with the drunken sailor? Early in the morning. Ooh, and up she rises. Ooh, and up she rises. Ooh, up she rises. Early in the morning. Why do I suddenly remember that song? When I drive, I like to hum songs and sing songs, or listen to music on the radio. Thank God for the radio when I'm on the road. When I'm far from home. Beep, 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 beep. Oola, hoopla, up, rough road. Rough, rocky road. Local time now here is 2:48 p.m. Let's say 2:45. Actually 2:48. 2:48 p.m. Oh, there's a little bit of leftover snow from the latest snowfall. Will this be impacting our driving? Beautiful forest here. Beautiful forest, Mr. Forester. Humpty Dumpty. Humpty Dumpty. Whoa. Slippery. Ah, we got snow falling from the trees. Yeah, there is snow in the trees and now it melts and it's coming down. Outside temperature, please. According to the car, it says 7 degrees centigrade, not Fahrenheit. 7 degrees. So we are still 7 degrees above freezing. Last night it must have been freezing here, but now it's mild. Tomorrow will be even warmer. And I think tomorrow it will be nice weather, warm weather. And then the rain is coming back again. Well, this is the place. Yay, they removed the tree. There was a tree right across the street, right here. Yeah, they've been working right here in front of us. You could not continue, but now you can, so we do. And we will arrive at a tunnel. There's a tunnel about 200 meters from here. Driving on snow. Outside temperature 6 degrees, so it's not frozen. Voila, nice view here. With a little bit of luck, we might see some birds flying. And there's the tunnel. but it looks like they have not been cleaning the road through the tunnel yet. But it's open. And here we have a nice view. We shall stop here later. At this time here, I just want to show you, and we continue and see if we can go all the way to the very end of the road, or if we have to stop before the end. Will there be snow? It's not impossible that there may be patches of deeper snow. When it is in the shade, it doesn't melt. Like here you see, but it's not too deep. Here I can drive. I have snow tires and an SUV, 4x4. We're good, we're good. Ah, here is another tree that blocks the road. Look at that. Endstation, alles aussteigen, nobody moves here. Voila, another strong wind in the winter. Alrighty, this is where we go back. Bye-bye. Bye-bye now. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. And we go back into the snow. And we'll turn around. Turn around. Back up. Back up and turn around. Voila. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. Wow, nice view over the mountain there. Should we walk over there? We could, but I'm a lazy guy. I don't like to walk. I like to drive. Let's just stop here. I guess there will not be much traffic. Let's see. Stay here, where we have a view over the mountain right there in front of us. I don't think many cars will come up here. All right, let's rest a little and let the dog get out. Voilà, Bella, tu peux sortir. Ouf, ouf.